Hey guys, I'm going to be working on this transmitter here. Beautiful day out, so I just thought I'd mess around with it. I'm going to open up the top and see what it looks like inside. It's the Golden Eagle. Actually, Mark III. I think before I said it was a Mark IV, but it's a Mark III. Yeah. So take a look inside. Wow. There's really nothing to this thing. So it looks pretty good. A little dusty. That's okay. Being the age of it, it's probably been sitting for a long time. So I was just gonna clean it up, wipe it down, maybe check all the tubes, wipe them down, and check it out thoroughly. And then wipe it down with the rag. Get some of this stuff. I'll try to use this stuff. Use it for the cleaner of all the knobs and stuff like that. But yeah, actually looks pretty good. I can't believe how good it looks. I think it'll clean up real nice. So this will be the part. This will be part 2. I did kind of a part 1 already, but this will be the part 2 just to check inside and see what it's all about. Alright guys, this is what it looks like inside, and I'll go ahead and start cleaning it up and removing these tubes. All these tubes. Check them out. Spray this contact cleaner inside there. Make sure that it's getting good contact and all that good stuff. Alright guys, hope everybody's having a good day. It's just a quiet day here for me. Alright, so next time will be part 3, and I'll show you what the outcome was as far as after I wipe it all down and stuff. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon. See ya!